again, Lizelle, and this is your CC's Adventure. So today, guys, as I mentioned in my last video, we will do an unboxing again. So what's it gonna be that we will be unboxing today? So ayan. For those new in my channel, guys, this is CC Adventure. I'm doing an unboxing, travel videos, and also unboxing. So yeah, for right now. So the first, we will have two unboxing today, guys. So the first thing we will do unbox is a GoPro Hero 9 Black. So actually, guys, hindi kami into GoPro, but since we will be traveling soon and we will be having a big travel soon, but I'm not gonna tell you right now, so it's for you to find out soon. We will have some game about that on my page. Anyway, yeah, this is the second to the latest version, but we will right now we're having a Hero 9 GoPro. Since this is very useful, guys, we were thinking to have this since most of the time we will be, especially when you are in the water, so you can use the GoPro because it's proof, right? Or you're going to the falls, to the beach, so you have an idea now where we're going, but I'm not gonna tell you right now. So let's proceed about our unboxing. This is the case. So wait. So, ayan lang, guys. We're done for today for the... yun, ang ano lang, diba? Ang short lang. So, this is the GoPro Hero 9, guys. I'm not gonna show it to you how to open because I am not good at it. I just have to show it to you the GoPro, which I am going to unbox, and the details of... I'm not going to do some details and how to turn it on and how to adjust and stuff like that. So yeah, and I'll also have an SD card for the GoPro. So here, so we're already all set for the vacation soon. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all your effort in watching my video. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day, everyone, and please like my channel and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And again, this is CC's Adventure. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye for now.